Good morning. Welcome to my Forex market analysis for 7th of July. It's Tuesday today. So let's start off with DXY, dollar index. So yesterday I was expecting sweep of day before yesterday, tap into FVG and close back in, which it did. It also gave a candle to C2. So today I'm expecting a C3, at least till these lows, at least till here. And then if we break it, I am completely bearish on DXY and I can expect price to either tap into this FPG or eventually go to these lows. But talking about today, we have we are in a lower low. So let me write it down. Downtrend. How do we know? We made low high and then lower low. We have a bearish FPG. We have SC2 bearish C2 from FPG. And today I'm expecting a C3 down to the weak swing. So for C3, I need 4 hour to be bearish as well. I need a bearish FPG on 4 hours. So let's check. Yes, one, two. We have two bearish um, FPGs on DXY. So I am expecting DXY to make a C2, C3 or any bearish candle from these levels and then continue going to the downside. I'm very bearish on dollar index. So I will mark it as bearish. AU. We finally broke this consolidation to the upside and we got a bullish change in state of delivery and now we are getting bullish candles. Still, I'm yet to see a bullish fair value gap. There's no bullish fair value gap. There's no pullback. There's no candle setup for me to trade in this. So because of that, I will still be sideways on AU as of today. I have no I have no predictive setups on it as of right now, so I cannot tell what I'm looking for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I need to see something, then I can trade it. But as for today, I don't see any setups. EJ now it's just in down, up, down, up. Nothing. There's nothing for me here. So what I'll do, I'll mark uh, there is this bullish change in state of delivery, this one, and we got a pullback. There's one thing that I can do. If today's candle closes like this, then tomorrow I can expect price to come down, sweep and go up. Obviously, I need a 4 hour uh, swing point and a 4 hour bullish FPG, but from this point. So I can wait for this and then this will be a weak swing, so targets, and this will also be a weak swing, the second targets. What I'm saying is a EJ just refuses to go below. It tries to go up, go down, come back up. So I can capitalize on this tomorrow. If I get a sweep, then I can take a trade from here. But if no sweep, then I need to wait. EU, I don't know. I don't know about EU. If there is some bearish structure, then I need sweep and a candle 2 from here, or a candle 3 as well for bearish. Or price could just break this to the downside, and then I can start looking for FPG setups. So, but it's in this range. I have no I have no analysis or no bias for EU. GG, we finally hit our targets. These were the targets, and such a beautiful trade. We finally hit it. But for today, there is no setup for today. Why? Because this is an expansion candle. We do not expect price to move a lot after expansion candle. The all of the action is already done here. So what's the best thing I can do? Same like EJ, I can wait for this candle to close, today's candle to close. I get an FVG. We are clearly in a bullish trend, and tomorrow price opens, sweeps, we go back up. So we take a trade like this. But I need two things. I need 4 hour sweep of swing point and a 4 hour FVG, which I think we'll have because 4 hour has a lot of FVGs here. Even this is a bullish FVG. Even this, even this. So if this price makes a swing point today, then tomorrow I can take a trade from here. But as for today, it's an expansion candle. I need for price to wait and then continue going to the upside. GU, we tap into FVG, we get a candle too with a bullish momentum, and this is the weak swing that I'm looking for. Today I'm expecting a candle 3 price to come down, make a wick, and continue going to the upside. So I'm bullish on this, and it also correlates with DXY. I'm bearish on DXY. DXY made a bearish C2 from an FVG, so it's just inverse of DXY, which is also a good uh, correlation. So I'll be waiting for bullish FVG. Do we have bullish FVG? Yes, we have two bullish FVGs. So price comes, gives me a setup. I take longs and I target these highs. So I'm bullish on. Uh, I will set an alert on first FVG. As soon as price goes here, I will start looking for buys. You can. I'm still I'm still not convinced. For me, for me is for me it's just a range. For me, it's just a range, and there is this weak swing, and there is this weak swing. So unless price goes above and below this, there is no way that I will trade it. I need price to show something. So either we close below, either we close up, or there is one more setup. If I get if I get a the- if I get a, if I get a sweep of this, if I get a sweep of this, and then we can take a trade from here. I'm sorry about my dog. Someone came outside. So if we take a trade from here, I need a C2, and then we can take buys. Next one is UCHF. So it's just like the setup is same as like DXY, and we are clearly making lower lows. Prices moving to the downside. We have a bearish FPG, but do we have a bearish candle too? No, we do not. We don't have a bearish candle too as of yet. And if I look at 4 hour, do we have a bearish FPG? We also don't have a bearish FPG. So the price is not bearish yet. There's no bearish proof that price will go to the downside. So there are two things that I can do. Either I can wait for today's candle to go up, close back in. That will be a C2 from FVG, and then tomorrow I can trade C3. Or if this candle goes and closes below this point, so it will make a C3. So either this or either this. Both are really good setups, and this will be my weak swing point. So targeting these lows. But for today, there is no setup. UJ, We got a C2, we got a C3. I don't know what to do with UJ. I'm confused. But again, just like GJ and EJ, what I can expect is if price wants to go up, I will wait for the FVG to form. I will wait for the sweep of today's low. Price comes below, sweeps it, and we get we get a 4-hour swing point with FVG. So we already have an FVG, and we already I think we'll make a swing point. So I think tomorrow this could be a really good trade. Yeah, and gold at last. Gold, we are in an uptrend. We sweep, and we get a change in state of delivery, and we get the bullish FVG. So the difference between gold and AU is just that I'm not super bullish on AU because there is no bullish FVG on AU, but there is bullish FVG on gold. That means that there is enough bullish pressure. So what I'll do is, if today's candle taps into FVG and closes as a C2, which is very possible, then tomorrow I can trade C3. Tomorrow I can trade C3 from here. Or maybe today's candle closes bearish and then tomorrow's candle makes a C2, then day after tomorrow I can take the C3 trade. But for today, there's no setup on gold. So tomorrow, these there is possibility that if price behaves as I'm expecting it to behave, then a lot of trades could come tomorrow. And I'm just not, there's just nothing on AU and UCAD for me. AU is just, again, no bullish FPG, and UCAD is just in a range. So, no setups for me. I don't think this week it's possible, but EJ is very possible. EU is also in a range. I think if it sweeps this and gives me a C2, I will short it. If it breaks below, then I will also short it. Yeah, that's my analysis for today. I am expecting GU to give me a trade sometime today, and then we are clearly in an uptrend. We tap into FVG, we get a bullish C2. Today I'm expecting a bullish C3 to these weak swing points, and 4 hour, clearly 4 hour is in uptrend. We keep getting bullish FVGs. We come back, pull back into FVG, and continue going to the upside. So yeah, it's very possible. It's a good setup. It's an A plus setup. Also, if I look into 15 minute, I want this level to be swept. So a lot of liquidity below this. We sweep. It gives me change in state of delivery somewhere over here, or could be here in the FVG zone, and I take a buy. I take a buy from here. Yeah. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.